Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create word search puzzle books in Artistly AI, which is an online generative AI design platform. So this is what a word puzzle book looks like, as you can see here, and as I flip a couple of these pages. So let me show you how. I'm logged into my Artistly account. This is the main dashboard area. Click on Create Design at the top, and then choose Fast AI Image Designer. We are currently in the AI Image Designer version 6 section. Go to the Kids Puzzle section and choose Word Search Puzzle. It'll bring you to this page. You have two options here, plain and detailed or cute and fun. I'll choose the second option, cute and fun. In the theme box, enter a theme. I'm just going to enter animals, but you can use whatever you want to. Next, in this box, I'll enter 5 for the number of pages. You can generate up to 25 pages, and then I'll click Generate. It will then begin generating the word puzzles and redirect you to the Personal Designs section. And here are the generated puzzle pages. Let me scroll down. Note that the solution pages will automatically appear in the generated flipbook, and I'll show you that in a moment. Also, you'll notice that I already generated a book cover. I created a separate tutorial on how to create a book cover, and you'll find the link to the tutorial at the end of this video. Let me scroll back up, and I'll click on the tab for Kids Puzzles, and then click on Create Flipbook. I'll check one of these boxes, and this will automatically select all of the corresponding pages for this specific puzzle book. Next, I'll click on Create Flipbook, and you'll see this dialog box pop up. Enter your book title in this box. Here you can upload your book cover. Since I already have created my book cover in Artistly, I'll click on Choose from Library. And from the media library, I'll scroll down and I'll select this book cover. So here is the book cover. And if you want to, you can also upload a back cover. I'll skip that, and then I'll click on Generate Flipbook. It will then begin the process, and then once completed, it will redirect you to the My Flipbook section. And you'll see the status change to ready. You can then use this download button to download the PDF for printing. You also have the second option to download the PDF for specifically Amazon KDP. And if you click on this read button, it will open a separate browser tab like so. And then you can click this button to essentially flip each of these pages off the word search puzzle book, as you can see here. But that's pretty much it. If you don't have Artistly and want to get it at a discounted price, check the link in the description section. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.